Dative is Mrs. Siobhan. Hi, I'm Siobhan from Bite Size Irish Gaelic, and let's find out what Ireland is called in Irish. Éire, Ireland, Éire. This is usually just used as a standalone word. There are two other versions of the word éire, and they are the ones commonly used within a sentence or a phrase. Éirinn, Ireland in the dative case. Éirinn, Éirinn. Éirinn is used following simple prepositions, as well as in other areas. A common example is in Éirinn, in Ireland. In Éirinn. And the last variation is Éirinn, Ireland, Éireann, in the genitive case, Éireann. A common example is Muintir na hÉireann, the people of Ireland. Muintir na hÉireann. There, you now know what Ireland is called in Irish. Did you know that you can get a 21-day free trial of Bite Size Irish Gaelic? That's right, just go to www.bitesize.irish and sign up today.